Hey, welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And this is the radio that I mentioned in the previous video from Radio Shack. Actually, it's from Jeff. It's from his collection that he loans me radios out of his collection. And this is a Radio Shack model 12-472. And I found that Radio Shack website that I showed you in the previous video because I was looking, number one, for more information on this radio, and number two, to see if you could still buy them, because these were sold in the early 2000s. So it's not real old. Yeah, it's old. 2023. Yeah, well, when you're 80 years old, 23 years is not a long time. Anyway, AM, FM, 5 shortwave bands. You paid $20 on the Facebook Marketplace. And it had issues when he first got it, but he cleaned up all the contacts, and it seems to be working pretty good. That's what he says, and we're going to find out. So let me get my little robot out of the way there. Let me show you a close-up of the dial. Really hard to read. It's like gray on gray. Here is the band select. We're going to put it on FM, which is top. This is the tuning knob on the top of all places. It's kind of a bad place. Volume and on-off headphone jack. And it takes 2 AA batteries. And I think it had possibly a clip that came with it. A clip on your belt. Telescopic antenna is about 12 inches. Pretty short for shortwave. Short for shortwave, yeah. I'm going to try it anyway. Let's see, on off, over here. Okay, volume. I do have it. Hello. I broke it already. It was working a few minutes ago. I promise you, it's working. Oh, there we go. I need to extend the antenna for FM. Not very long. Okay, now we can turn the volume down. See if I can hold this still. I hate that I keep moving things around so much. Really stiff tuning. It does have a tuning indicator when you're locked in. Nope, music, you can't have music.
Esta máxima hora de música continua es entregada por Hungry Howie's
Whatever that is.
Fast Pizza.
Picking up a lot of stations.
Found their home. A relationship with the
nice and clear.
Like they used to.
High
no music.
Around 90. Here it is. Overnight Saturday into Sunday, the low hits 66.
Whoa,
and
66.
Sunday, sunny again, but our high cool.
Oh my gosh. No music.
We're ready.
No music.
You can't say anything about it. It's certainly not wrong. It's not right, because there's no morality when you're a humanist.
Tune's
If you
pretty
have morality,
easy.
then now you're leaning
It's just
too far
up here is
from
kind of
natural law, which is
unnatural
evidence that
for
God
me.
exists. That dictates your worldview.
No music.
I don't know. I got to figure out the story first. It could be a problem.
Ready to sing along to every single one.
Yeah, very sensitive. Okay, that was FM. Let me switch it to AM. And of course it's going to be directional. And it probably likes to be this way. And we'll turn the volume up a little bit. And I'm going to hold it this way because stations are that way, so typically that's why you have to hold it perpendicular to the stations. And then we'll tune it. Music, we don't want music. More music. Oh, but boy, it's picking up stations though. Very sensitive.
Whether it's business law, popular for cal sheets. These sheets are available.
Only halfway through the band.
Colors and... We
added the line of kitchen towels, so all these...
At all. Yes, but one of my mid-season storylines, I'm looking...
So I picked up quite a few stations. I doubt very seriously I could get on anything on FM. Let's see, which band do we want to try? I'm looking on the back here. Probably want to try band 3, which is 945 to 9.9. So we see if I can get it to 3. Whoops, I went past. Is that 3? No, it's 2. Oop, went past again. A little hard to manipulate this tiny switch. There, that's on 3. See if we can get anything on shortwave. Nope, I didn't mean to touch that button. That's on 3. Okay. Turn the volume up. Try to hold it still. It's about 9 megahertz. And it's noontime here in Clearwater, Florida. That plus the short antenna, you're not going to get anything. I'll really be surprised. A lot of noise. Oop. Just more noise. Yeah, like I say, it'd be kind of impossible, even in best time of day and conditions. It's going to be tough with a 12-inch antenna and a tuning thing that's really hard to zoom in. I'm strictly digital now because this tells me I have no idea what the frequency is on this dial. That's why I like digital. That's it. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me this. This thing's in pristine condition. The only scratch is right here on the case. Otherwise, it's perfect. Not a bad radio on AM and FM, and I didn't expect much on shortwave. Thanks for watching, and one more time I'll try to show you. That is really hard to read. Gray on gray. What were they thinking? Have a great day. Bye-bye.